Why stress management is tough sometimes? Because stress management is basically a process of thought management. And a thought is something abstract, something unquantifiable, something you cannot touch or hold, but something that deeply affects your personality, your life. Your stress always starts when you have a stressful thought. For example, when you think of a financial issue or an issue with your spouse or your job security or drug addiction of your son, it always comes as a thought. It may come occasionally, causing you stress, or it may always be on the back of your mind, causing you a breakdown. So, in the fade out therapy, you practice to fade out a thought as soon as it appears. For example, thoughts of an argument at the office is occupying your brain as you head home in the evening. This thought is on an autoplay mode and continuously playing non-stop. So you have to visualize the scene of the trouble and fade it out like a cinema reel fades out. There are many ways visuals fade out in the movie. Sometimes a scene will become smaller and smaller until nothing is left. Sometimes the frame would just fly away in the distance before a new scene appears. Try fading out these unpleasant memories. This technique is called fade out therapy. Of course, mantra meditation can greatly assist in the application of this technique as it prevents these scenes from reappearing. To take control of mind is not easy. It requires sustained practice and a higher taste and grace. As you progress further in taking this course, these techniques will become increasingly clear. In Bhagavad Gita 6:34, Arjuna says, Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramathi balavad dridam tasyaham nigraham manne vayor eva sadushkaram. The mind is restless, turbulent, obstinate and very strong, O Krishna. And to subdue it, I think, is more difficult than controlling the wind.